how to activate AT&T Prepaid SIM card. So you want to Google search for activate AT&T Prepaid SIM card online, and then click on the first website that pops up right here. It is going to show us that you can activate your account easily by removing your SIM card from the packaging and inserting it into your unlocked device. Then you will use your phone to scan the QR code on your activation card and just follow the prompts to activate. Here we want to click on get started if you have selected it or bought it from another retailer. So here what we want to do is select how many lines we are going to be activating. I will do 1. Now it's going to take us to this page, which is going to ask for the ICC ID or SIM number. If you click on where you can find it, you can see this is the ICC ID number, and it's going to be your PIN code or SIM number. You will also have to provide the IMEI number, and again you can click on where can I find it, and it's going to show you the number itself and also the service zip code. You can also use EID number. So again, where can I find it? You click on it and you just enter this, click on continue, follow the prompts, and that's how you activate your account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.